We have a MacBook Pro 2012 3115. That's 820 3115. No power, and it shuts the charger down. So it simply means that there is a very bad short on the system. So how do we identify this short on the system? Actually, on 2012, mainly the shorts that always affect 2012 are coming from the audio part. Now the audio part is mainly saturated on here, so I believe the short is coming from this angle. So how do we solve this problem? We are going to inject voltage to this area. This is what we mean by short. We place our meter on continuity. Our meter is on continuity. How do I conclude that this short is coming from here? Now, this is a cap here. There's a short. You see, this is a cap here. There's a short. This is a cap here. There's a short. This is a cap here. There's no short here. There is also a cap here. There's no short here. There's no short here. Now, how do we identify this particular short from this area? On a norm, what you're going to do is to remove these three chips. When you remove these three chips, automatically one will be present to identify the short. So we are going to use an injection method. Injection method simply means injecting volt or power to the area which you are suspecting to have short. And on this process, you apply alcohol on the terminal. How do I do that? Now, let me show you guys how to do injection. This is your DC power, which is, I've stabled the power, the voltage to 3.8 voltage. Now, how do I do that? This is the negative part of my DC power. I clip it at the ground. Now, where we are having shorts within here, so I have to select one of the points and put our wire and solder our wire down for contact point. So now I've soldered a wire down here for a contact point. Now I apply my alcohol. Now I've applied my alcohol. I now connect the positive part to the port. Now you can see where the short is coming from. Now I have applied alcohol. You can see this chip has dried up the alcohol I've applied. Let me also apply another one for you to see. As you can see, are you seeing it? Now it simply means that this cap here is the faulty one. This cap here is the faulty one. So now let's remove this cap and now observe it. Okay, I've removed the cap that is faulty. Let's use our meter now to confirm if we still have shorts present on the system. As you can see, no more shorts. Remember, these 3 caps were giving us shorts. So now we are going to replace the cap. Okay, this is our donor board. This is our donor board. Let's check if our donor board is also having short on that cap. There's no short, so we are going to remove it from our donor board and replace it there. Okay, we've gotten the chip from the donor board. We apply flux. The reason why you're applying flux is to stabilize the inflow. So we are applying replacing the chip now. Okay, we have fixed it in now. Let's remove the lead we connected for bridging. Okay. So now what we're gonna do now is to power up. How do we do that? Remember, there is no power and there is short on the system. So let's plug in our DC power machine back. Remember what the customer said, short on the system. So okay, now we've applied our charger. Do we have a green light? We have a green light. We have a green light, but still no power. Still no power. So we are going to trace to know if PP3 V3 holds present on the system. PP3 V3 hot, is it present? No, it's present on the board, and still we have no power. Do we have PP bus? PP bus is present. PP bus is present. 5 volts, 3.4 is present. So what we are looking at is another. Are we having anywhere hot on the stem? Okay, what we're gonna do now is to okay, so we'll get back, keep watching. This was the work we did yesterday. We didn't complete the one-off injection. As you can see, this is the board. This is where the injection was taking place. and this is the shot that was bad, was this. So when we tested it there, then it wasn't responding because our DC jack is faulty also. So this mod today will now replace the jack and couple the system up. Now you can see the system is up and is loading. So we'll solve this problem. Keep subscribing to HGS Assist for more upload.